Hamster Kombat mini game key puzzle. Make sure you watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. Move the grey candle to the right, the red candle upward, the key to the left, the red candle upward, the grey candle to the right, the red candle downward. Move the key to the right, the red candle downward, the key to the right, the red candle downward, the green candle to the left, the key to the left, the red candle upward, the green candle to the left, the red candle downward, the key to the right, the red candle upward, the green candle to the left, the red candle downward. Then you slide the key. Boom. Watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel so that you can be getting updates on how to make money online.